So today I'm going to review these lights that I got from Shein. And yes, for those who are asking, it's actually pronounced Shein. Fun fact, it was called She Insider before it was rebranded to Shein. So right off the bat, this is how the lights look. They do come in a small box, but I've actually thrown that box out. I actually bought two of these, but today I'm just only gonna set up one of them. So right now I'm going to read out some specs for you. This one specifically is 5 meters long. It costs $6. So one of these pair costs $6. So I actually bought two, as I said before, so they cost $12 in total. It actually comes with a remote control. Here's the remote control right here. The remote control doesn't actually come with batteries, so you're gonna have to buy batteries, but it uses AA batteries. So these LED strip lights are USB powered, meaning that you're going to have this cable right here that is going to be connected to a socket that has USB or a power bank, but I pretty much prefer to use a plug that is USB, because if I use a power bank, I'm gonna have to charge the power bank every time it runs out. So with a plug, it's a set and go process. So setting up this light is pretty simple. So you're going to get this cable, which is a power supply, which at the other end is going to have a USB, like I've said, and this right here. And then the other cable, which is basically the strip light, it is going to have this right here, which has 4 pins. So what you would want to do is take this right here. It's going to have an arrow right here. The red arrow is going to be an arrow at the top right here. So you're going to line these up. But if you have this turned in such a way that the arrow is at the bottom and it doesn't line up with the arrow at the top right here, it's not going to work. So make sure that these arrows are both lined up like this. And you're just going to connect that right there. So right now I have the LED strip lights on my bed and I've set them up as I've shown you. Right now I just want to go over the remote control with you. And as I've said before, you're going to need 2 AA batteries in order to use this remote control. Now this is to turn off the lights. You won't see any change right now. As you can see, the lights are already off, but if you press this, the lights are going to turn on. Now you have 2 settings right here. These are your brightness levels. Let's just change it to static for a minute so I can show you. Now if you press this, it's going to decrease the brightness obviously, and if you press this, the brightness is going to go up. I'm not sure if you can see it properly on camera, but let me just decrease the brightness. The brightness is currently being decreased. I think that's the lowest level. And now let me press it again to increase the brightness. It is actually looking brighter. I'm just not sure if it shows properly on camera. Now you have other settings as well. This is the red light, and this is the green light, and this is blue, and this one is white. But the white is not actually pure white, at least not in real life. It's sort of a light cyan color, you know. It's kind of like tinted to the bluish a little bit. It's not actually white, but yes. You also get other colors besides the primary colors right here. You can also get orange, which looks like that. You also get sort of a cyan color, a blue color, a darkish blue color, and yeah, they are kind of similar, just different shades and all of that. And right here you have your settings where it gets interesting. If you press this button right here, it's called flash. The lights are going to turn in 7 different colors and start flashing. And if you press this button here called strobe, it's going to go faster. And you also get a fade option. where the colors just transition to another color just smoothly. And finally, you have your smooth control. I'm not sure why it's called smooth, but it basically just flashes the same color over and over again. I'm actually going to set up only one of these lights, and I'm going to set them up at the top of my wall. I'm only going to set up one of them. Yeah, so right now let me just clean the wall. So don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and yeah.